Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot workflow triggers for lifecycle automation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Automation tab in the main menu. Select Workflows from the drop-down options. Click the Create Workflow button to start a new workflow. Choose the Start from Scratch option or select a template that suits your needs. Give your workflow a descriptive name for easy identification. Click Set Enrollment Triggers to specify how contacts will enter this workflow. Select the trigger type based on your requirements, such as lifecycle stage or specific properties. For lifecycle automation, choose Contact Property from the available options. Define the condition for the trigger, such as when a contact's lifecycle stage changes. You can add additional filters to narrow down the criteria if needed. Once satisfied with your trigger settings, click Apply Filter. Now, click the plus icon to add an action to your workflow. Choose the action you want to automate, such as sending an email, adding a task, or updating a property. Follow the prompts to configure the specific details of the action. If needed, add more actions by clicking the plus icon again and repeating the process. When your workflow is complete, click the Review button in the top right corner. Go through the workflow settings and confirm everything is set up correctly. Make any final adjustments as needed, and click Turn On to activate your workflow. Your HubSpot workflow with lifecycle triggers is now live and ready to automate your processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.